Transform your photo into a video for free. Yes, you heard it right. First, you need a photo. Head over to the Meta AI image generator page and describe the image you want to generate. Wait for the results to appear. If you don't like the first set of results, you can click on the Generate button again for more options. Once you find the perfect image, download it and move on to the next step. Next, open your web browser and search for Genmo AI. Once you're there, log in with your Google account or create a new one. After logging in, upload your generated photo and write a prompt. Click on the Generate button and wait a few minutes for the video to be created. The possibilities are endless with AI interventions. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, comment, and share.